Okay, so here we go. We got everything all cleaned up, as clean as it's gonna get from the original part. I'm thinking this is from the original thing that's a 1992 OMC Cobra 5.0, and this is the original starter. So we took this part out, still doing good. We'll slip it right in here. This is the one from about 2 years ago, right? Okay, so now what we wanna do is we wanna get these teeth right here. As you can see, they push in, and this is what causes with the metal in here spinning around, or this magnet, and magnets all around. And so initially, as you can tell from the one from 2 years ago, this tooth right here stopped it, and it came unloose. So that's what was causing the jam. So we had no other choice but to use it. So now here's the magic trick. We have to get this on here like so, and the best way to do this, so a little bit, I'm gonna get down here. Okay, and now push these two in here. Okay, to get start to go around. There we go. We got that to start. Now I go to the other side. Get this other side to start. They're trying to. Freely, it looks like. Okay, this is locked in place. Now we're gonna go and take. Make sure everything's in here from the start is all lined up good. Okay. This goes right here. Teeth should be able to spin. Okay. And so one way you can see it is, I'm trying to show you guys one where the teeth are out. Okay, here's one. Here's the end. So underneath here, it looks, well, it don't look like rust and stuff, but you see these gears around here with the teeth? So this part right here slides into here, like so. It engages like that. So now what we're going to do is put this in here, like so. Uh-oh, I missed it. It didn't connect it. Hold on. Tried to grab it, and it looks like that didn't came out right there. Hold on. All right, so here we go with the test. We put everything back together there. You've seen in the inside of it. And here's the moment of truth, as they say, right? You ever heard that saying, moment of truth? Let's see what we do. So what you want to look at is right here. You know, if this gauge is supposed to come out. This is me rebuilding it with the parts. Look at it. Here we go. See it? Yeah, looks like it's doing